Let's delve into some of the issues that we have seen with celebrities, especially a big one with Danny Masterson and Bijou Phillips. Danny was just convicted and sentenced to 30 years in prison for past rape situations in Hollywood. And now Bijou Phillips is filing for divorce to protect those assets from being paid out, I guess, to the victims.
Yeah, she's already too late. So what she should have done was file for divorce immediately upon the allegations coming about where there was going to be any truth to the particular allegation. If she genuinely believed certain issues with respect to that really he didn't commit the crimes or he's completely innocent, then she would have stood by his side. Now, after a conviction, she would have stood by his side. Now, she's not. So as a result of having to go to file for divorce after the convictions already come in, that's going to put her in a precarious position to fight for particular assets. You're going to have victims that are going to step forward with lawyers that they've already had lawyered up, that are going to look to put liens on assets and or make emergency motions to the court in order to get their share. I think it's still going to be difficult for the victims to pierce her share in the marital estate with respect to trying to collect on it in judgment. So I still think she'll prevail, but divorce may have been filed a lot sooner, contingent upon the circumstance.
We're seeing a lot with that entire issue of celebrities that have taken certain sides that are now having to step down from their positions when these people are being found guilty in that kind of situation, which can also tear relationships apart. What do you suggest to people when they are on that side of the coin where those allegations are coming at them?
So you mean the actual accused themselves or the spouse?
Mm-hmm.
Accused
the spouse. The spouse.
So in this type of situation, when the spouse has to make decisions to, one, get a lawyer immediately, two, have a very transparent conversation with their existing spouse, who is the accused, to figure out the best way that they may need to protect the family, and particularly the marital estate. You can't commit collusion or fraud on a court, but there are times where a divorce may be called for the protection of interest and or there may be a breakdown in the marriage. I can tell you, if a spouse is accused of a crime and the other spouse thinks that that crime is justified or that this may have happened or they did their own independent research, they should get a lawyer immediately and they should consider filing immediately as opposed to waiting.